Hello everyone, this video is about learning concepts to the story The Very Hungry Caterpillar. I've added some follow-up activities for this particular story to facilitate kids learning concepts in depth. Before moving into the video, if you haven't read about the story The Very Hungry Caterpillar before, please do watch it. I've posted it in my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It will be easy to follow up the activities and learn the related concepts based on the storyline. Now, let's move into the first concept. Concept 1. Arts and Crafts, Paper Caterpillar Craft Activity and Exploring the Shape Circle. I have listed the benefits of arts and crafts for kids. It's good for their fine motor skills. Arts and crafts help kids remember facts and also help them engage in stories. The things required to make a paper caterpillar craft is listed. They are construction paper, scissors, marker and glue stick. Let's see how to make the craft. Hope you all like the craft. Stay tuned for the second concept. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.